Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will continue on multivariable optimization technique, and we have discussed one method to solve like a direct substitution in the last lecture, and now we will see how to solve problems using Lagrange's multipliers method. Multivariable optimization with equality constants, and the next method here is the method of Lagrange's multipliers. Method of multipliers. So in this method, we construct a new function, which is the Lagrangian function over there, and then we will minimize or find out the optimum results. So suppose we have a general problem that consists of two variables. So I'm taking a general problem here. There may be number of variables, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, and so on. So this is the problem I'm taking for two variables. So suppose we have an objective function which is in the minimization form and consists of two variables, suppose f of x and y, subjected to the constraint, and it must be the equality constraint, subjected to, suppose constant condition is gxy equals to 0. So in this method, we construct a Lagrangian function. We construct a function and denoted by L. It's the Lagrangian function. So we include a parameter here, which is lambda, and it's known as the Lagrangian multiplier. So this function consists of our objective function, sum of the objective function, plus lambda, and multiplication with the given inequality, g of xy. This is my Lagrangian function. This lambda is Lagrange's multiplier. Now the again process is simple. Whatever the variables you have given, find out its partial derivative. So we have three variables here now. So I'm going to differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to lambda, and with the use of equating to 0. And with the use of these three equations, we will eliminate this parameter and substitute it in the, find out the value of x, y, and z, whatever the variables you have given, substitute it in the given function and evaluate the minimum or the maximum, whatever the value we are going to find out. So this is in case when one equality is given here. Suppose we have two inequalities here. So Lagrangian multiplier will be equal to, in case of two or more inequalities. So suppose this is gxy equals to 0. In any case, I'm having gxy equals to 0 and hxy is equals to 0. So Lagrangian multiplier will consist of two parameters here, x, y, lambda 1, lambda 2, and the complete Lagrangian function will be f of xy plus lambda 1 gxy plus lambda 2 hxy. So this is the Lagrangian function if we have two inequalities. In the same way, you can construct the Lagrangian function if you have number of inequalities, the number of conditions given in the problem. So I'm going to take a problem based on this method. Question is, find the solution of the following problem using the Lagrange's multiplier method. So minimize of f of x, y, z is equals to x square plus y square plus z square subjected to the condition g of x, y, z is equals to
कौन सा कौन
is your mic Vaibhav,
yes ma'am
mute your mic. It's equal to ax plus by plus cz minus p is equals to 0. So you have to find out the solution using Lagrange's multiplier method. So first thing is we have to construct the Lagrangian function. Now we have one equality here, so it consists of only one multiplier here. Look at the solution. So first thing, I'm defining the Lagrangian function. It's denoted by L. 3 variables here and including one parameter. So it's equals to f of x, y, z plus lambda g of x, y, z. Now the value of given function is plus lambda ax plus by plus cz minus p. Take it as equation number 1. Now, necessary conditions here are for a given function to be maximum or minimum. We can say this L to be maximum or minimum. So find out all the partial derivatives, means whatever the variables you have given x, y, z and lambda, and equate them equal to 0. So for L to be maximum or minimum, del L by del x del L by del y, del L by del z and del L by del lambda. What will be the value of del L by del x? क्या होगी इसकी वैल्यू? वॉइस क्लियर आ रही है मेरी? Yes. Voice clear or not? Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what is the value of del L by del x? Partially differentiate with respect to x. So it's 2x plus lambda a equated to 0. So we get the value of x is equals to minus lambda by 2. In the same way, del L by del y partially differentiate with respect to y. So it's 2y plus lambda b equated to 0. I'm getting y is equals to minus lambda b by 2. This 2z plus lambda c is equals to 0. So the value of z is equals to minus lambda c over 2. Now differentiate partially with respect to lambda. This will be 0 and the remaining term is ax plus by plus cz minus p equated to 0. Now with the help of these equations, you can find out the value for x, y and z. X, y and z second, third and fourth में evaluate हो चुकी हैं. So I'm going to use these values in equation number 5th. X is minus lambda by 2. So it's minus lambda a square by 2. This is minus lambda b square by 2 minus lambda c square by 2 minus p is equals to 0. So you get the value of lambda is equals to, which is minus 2p by a square plus b square plus c square. So in this way, we can get the value for x, y, and z. X is minus lambda by 2 and lambda is equals to minus 2p by a square plus b square plus c square. So therefore, x is equals to ap by a square plus b square plus c square. Y is equals to bp by a square plus b square plus c square. Substituting this lambda in these equations, and z is equals to, this is cp by a square plus b square plus c square. So we get the minimum value, and minimum value here is it's given in the problem x square plus y square plus z square. So substituting these values in here, and a square plus b square plus c square whole square, y is b square p square by a square plus b square plus c square. This is again whole square, and c square p square by a square plus b square plus c square whole square. So it's equal to p square by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the minimum value from the Lagrange's method. Is this clear? Is this clear to you? Yes, any problem? Okay. So I'm going to write down one more problem and you just try it yourself. In this problem, we have minimization of f of xy is equals to k x raised to the power minus 1 by raised to the power minus 2 subjected to gxy is equal to x square plus y square minus a square equals to 0. So this problem consists of only two variables. इससे पहले हमारे पास three variables थे. So construct the Lagrangian function. Lagrangian function यहाँ पर क्या होगा? It will be f of xy plus lambda g of xy. Now it consists of three variables. So its necessary condition will be del L by del x equated to 0, del L by del y equated to 0. This is lambda, and del L by del lambda equated to 0. Eliminate the values from these equations and substitute it in the problem. So you will get the minimum value from Lagrange's method. Is this okay? Now I'm going to take a problem that consists of two equality constants here. Question is, using Lagrange's multiplier method, find the maximum and minimum value of u is equals to a square x square, b square y square, c square z square, subjected to the conditions here, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 1, and lx plus my plus nz equals to 0. So we have two equality constants here. First thing is construct the Lagrangian function, and Lagrangian function, three variables. Is equals to e square x square, b square y square, c square z square plus lambda 1. First equality. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 1, lambda 2 lx plus my plus nz. So this is the Lagrangian function. Now what you have to do, find out the value for x, y and z, and with the help of these equations, so conditions, necessary conditions here will be, evaluate the partial derivatives and equate them equal to 0. Evaluate del L over del X is equals to 2a square x is 2 lambda 1 x plus L lambda 2 equated to 0. Two b square x, b square y, 2 lambda 2, 2 lambda 1 by m lambda 2 equated to 0. This is equation number 3. 2c square z two lambda 1 z plus n lambda 2 equated to 0. Now you have to eliminate it. Eliminate करने के लिए I'm going to multiply equation number 2 by x, 3 by y and 4 by z, and adding these three equations means 2 by x, 3 by y, 4 by z. जब आप ये ऑपरेशन यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे, you will get value of x is you will get this value of x. In the same way, just eliminate and try to solve it. And we'll get the value for z is n lambda 2 by twice of minus c square. So when you substituting these value of x, y, z in the given conditions, you will obtain the, that particular value gives the minimum or maximum value of the function. So you get the relation by using these three values. So whenever the number of variables जब भी ज़्यादा given होंगे, you just have to eliminate. चाहे तो किसी भी दो इक्वेशंस में से सब्स्टिट्यूट करके थर्ड में फिल कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम उसको डायरेक्टली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अप टू यू कि हमें किस तरीके से उसका सॉल्यूशन इवैल्यूएट करना है. I'm writing a problem that also consists of three variables. Just try to solve it. We have three variables here, x1, x2, and x3. And these are subjected to the conditions, equality constants. First one is x1 minus x2 is 0. And second condition is x1, x2, x3 minus 1 equal to 0 by Lagrange's multiplier method. So do it yourself. And after that, in this unit, one topic is remaining, and which is the KKT conditions, the conductor conditions. We will discuss the conductor conditions in the next class. Okay, so any problem with the Lagrange's multiplier? Is this okay? Please write present in the chat box. Many of you have been registered for data analytics course also. So the optimization part is also in the data analytics course, which multivariable optimization and with constant and unconstrained problems, and also the KKT conditions. So from the data analytics course, you also have to study that part. Any problem with Lagrange's method? Yes? Is this okay? शिवम, साहिल, पूजा. आवाज आ रही है मेरी आप लोगों को? Fine. Is this method fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why so delay? Anyways. Okay, so next class में KKT conditions हम study करेंगे. Till then, complete these problems जो मैंने लिखी हैं. Try to solve the problems. Okay.